Hey guys, welcome back to Oz Tech. Today I want to talk about some new travel pants by Western Rise right here. So these guys just came in the mail and I'm super excited about them. Now, I haven't really posted anything in a very long time, but I have a bunch of footage that I want to, kind of go back to, different drones, different cameras. And I kind of want to like pivot on the channel overall to focus more on my travels and the gear that I've taken on my travels, and also the way I convince myself to buy certain things, right? At the end of the day, my goal is to be somewhat of a minimalist, Granted, I buy a bunch of stuff, but it's just with the assumption that the next thing is gonna be the next best thing, right? So in this scenario, I just found a company called Western Rise, and they're supposed to have these like 4-way stretch pants, stain proof, waterproof. I just bought, I think I ordered some vesties that are coming out, which won't be out until May, and those are supposed to be waterproof. Got a shirt from, if I'm not mistaken, like Threadsmiths, that is also supposed to be waterproof. Now granted, why waterproof? Well, I live in Florida, right? So the fact is, it rains here randomly almost every other day. You never really can predict it, well, I guess you can predict it to a certain extent because it technically rains here almost every other day. But at the end of the day, you don't know at what time, right? So the goal is to have something lightweight that will offset or not get me to cringe when the water hits me. So now let's get into it, right? So Western Rise has a couple pair of pants that they sell. One is the Rivet Slims, which they're pretty much sold out in every color. And then you have the new ones, which I'm not really sure what they're called right off the top of my head, but I know that there's the new design. I think they're the Evolution Pants. I'm sure it'll tell me here. That is correct. The Evolution Pants in charcoal. So now technically I'm a 30-30, maybe not, right? Let's find out. Because usually when you get pants like these, they're usually a little tight. So again, here's the bag and here's the shirt. Or I'm sorry, here's the receipt. Let's get into it real quick. Okay. So again, they look light, very stretchy. I'll obviously put these on and see what they actually feel like. But again, I'm very excited about these pants just because the whole goal, again, is to roll these things up, throw them in a bag, throw them in a backpack, maybe have 2 pairs of these. And then I know that, if I'm not mistaken, because there are water repellent, you can wash these and they dry pretty quickly, right? So if you are traveling and you're carrying just a backpack or something, this should be, dry in about less than an hour, if I'm not mistaken. So go to bed, wake up, these are definitely ready to go. I'm going to compare these to the Lulu pants that I got last time, which were their ABC Slims or something like that, or the Commission Slims, which were pretty interesting. I do like those pants; those are pretty comfortable. And then Express released they released their 4-way stretch pants. They're like almost like jeans, but like stretchy jeans that are very, very comfortable as well. And same thing with Banana Republic. So, everyone is kind of going in that direction, which is, how can you get that breathability? How can you get that stretchiness, but then also get that comfort, right? So in my next video, I'll give you a review on how the pants feel and everything else. So I think that's all I got for right now. Again, these are the Evolution Pants by Western Rise. I'll put a link down below if you have any questions. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button above. All right, guys. Thank you. Later.